5 1/2 furlongs. Track fast, and we're in the gate. Here we go. And they're off. And there's the newcomer, Rustin Rocket, who's out to a flying start for Ramsey Zimmerman. Rustin Rocket going out the lead at long odds. Premier Crisis is well spotted by Robbie Alvarado. The second-timer, Good Fight, has come out up close in third. For the inside, My Friend Royal fourth. Go Mighty Mike is fifth at the half-mile pole. Uptown Seattle, 9 lengths adrift off that leader. Rustin Rocket into the far turn. Southline is next. Further back to Basket's Delight and Combat Idle Trails. 3 furlongs to go. Rustin Rocket running greenly, trying to bear out through the turn. And here's Premier Crisis, who's sizing him up, coming toward the quarter pole. Good Fight third, My Friend Royal, Southline, Go Mighty Mike, Uptown Seattle. The other two, Basket Delight and Combat Idol, both were never near into the stretch. The quarter went in 21 4. Rustin Rocket straight now. Rustin Rocket in the final furlong. Premier Crisis coming to Rustin Rocket just above the 16th pole. Good Fight is third and is spying a gap. Southline is next. The others well beaten. Coming up toward the wire, here's Premier Crisis. Put outside, Southline delivers a late challenge. Good Fight right there. Blanket photo finish. Good Fight. Good Fight. Southline. Premier Crisis hit it together. Rustin Rocket was fourth.